Hey everybody, welcome to Cooking with John. Today we're making some fucking mac and cheese. Oh, I'm also making artichokes. Here we go. Yeah, rinse some broccoli. Boil 2 pots of water. One for the artichokes and the other for the broccoli. Yeah. And while we wait. Oh, jeez. I got the Ebola. What? No need for heat. While the water's boiling, we're gonna preheat our oven at, I don't know, 350. Oh, what the hell was that? Let's try that bitch. I'm gonna throw this in the mac and cheese, so we're just gonna... Alright, there we go. The little pot's boiling. We're gonna take our macaroni, throw this in this bitch. 8 minutes or something. It starts boiling. Oh, it's tricky. It's tricky. I'll show you later. And in the meantime, oh jeez, that's a lot of alcohol. Now that this big pot's boiling, we're gonna take our artichoke, throw it in here, strain our macaroni. Ooh, I can do that right now. We strain it. So I'm gonna, I don't know what I'm doing right now. I need the artichoke to boil. That's all, for like 40 minutes or something like that. I'm gonna put the artichoke in. Put it in there. Hot water into the artichoke. I'm not gonna boil any more water. I'm gonna pour water into there. Alright. Hot water is going into there. Actually, we'll throw it over here. Artichoke water. This sits here. And with our hot burner, I'm gonna put this here. And I'm gonna make the turkey. I'm gonna make the sauce. Yeah, that's what's happening. I'm gonna hit it with some oil. Put it on the burner. Turkey. How much turkey? I guess all of it. Nah, I probably, whatever. We're gonna use half of the turkey. I'm gonna take my fucking sauce and throw this in this bitch. Fuck it, whatever. Throw it in the sauce. And hope it all cooks together. I really hope this works out, because I really don't know what I'm doing. I'm gonna put it on high, bring it to a boil. We're gonna see what happens. Wait, where'd my shit go? Alright, there it is. And while we wait... Alright, so I got a pan that I can fucking cook in the oven. Hit it with a spray. Oh no, not that much. Hit it with a macaroni, cheese, sauce, turkey, and the broccoli. Mix it up some. God, I hope this fucking comes out okay. Man, I'm sure it will, but at the same time, I want it to be cracking as a motherfucker. Maybe some more cheese. Cheese never hurts nobody. And it's like that. I don't know about the artichoke, but this shit looks right up. My 350 oven. We'll throw that in for 10 minutes. And while we wait, you're gonna want to forget to record the end, and then go to work, walk the dog, microwave that shit. About a minute while we wait. Alright, so I have like 3 bowls already. But, let's give it a taste. That shit is still delicious. I don't know where the camera is on my phone. Alright, everybody. That's... Oh, and the artichoke. You completely forget about it. Actually, I'll show you. Hold on a second. Where's the fucking... There it is. Alright. Let's try the artichoke. Rockin' as a motherfucker. Delicious. Alright, everybody. Have a good night. Camera's there. There. That's where the camera is.